Hello everyone, my name is Bruno Eustáquio. I'm a director of Eletrobras, it's a green major company. And I'm here to improve and boost my competencies on the energy in general way. This is a fantastic and outstanding experience in my life. We learn a lot with the huge competence of the professors. We learn a lot of the experience that our colleagues share along this course, and especially the strengths that the energy sector is passing nowadays. I believe after this outstanding course, I will share with my colleagues the learnings that we have here in order to boost, obviously, our position in the energy market in Brazil. I believe this is the first course in the world in regulation. This is an opinion of my colleagues, but this is my opinion nowadays.